This story is also a beautiful chapter. Now, the
Yes,
first part, it is about a young seagull. Okay.
yes,
Seagull
ma'am.
is what? It is a bird.
Bird.
And the story is about a young seagull who's afraid of flying.
Yes,
A baby seagull, okay, and it's afraid of flying. It feels that its wings are not enough, okay, strong to support him to fly. समझ में आ गया? Wings जो है इतनी strong नहीं है that would support him to fly, right? So all his parents, his brothers and all, they keep on motivating him, but he doesn't try. And finally, something happens that he overcomes this fear and he starts flying. समझ में आया? अब वो क्या होता है that I will not reveal right now. नहीं तो स्टोरी का सारा मजा खत्म हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो first part we are going to do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
very first part, right? 1 minute, let me take out my PDF. I'm not getting the chapter. 1 minute. Just wait a minute, beta. I'm not getting my chapter. Have you all opened it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
My PDF, it got disappeared. I don't know where it is. Meanwhile, any one of you can begin the reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will begin the reading?
Ma'am, may I,
Meanwhile,
Priyanshi?
I find my this thing, the PDF.
The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wing would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around calling him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on the ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. Then first para completed.
बस हो गया, मेरे भी PDF open हो गई.
Okay.
Yes, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Now the young seagull, okay, seagull is a very beautiful bird, that flies over the ocean and all. So this small baby seagull, you know. It was all alone on his ledge. Ledge, you know, what is a ledge? The meaning has already been given there. Okay, a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. है ना, देखते हो ना, एक पत्थर टाइप निकला हुआ होता है. तो उस ledge पर he was sitting, and his two brothers and sisters, they had already flown away the day before. यानी एक दिन पहले they had already flown away, and this young seagull, it was sitting all alone. Why it was sitting all alone? Because this seagull, it was very much scared or afraid to fly. He had been afraid to fly with them. Underline kar lo, why he did not fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the, what happened, Harsh? Harsh, some problem? Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Now, see, this seagull, you know, though he tried to fly, okay, he moved, he make a little run, samajh gaye? He moved fast in a running manner towards the brink of the ledge. Brink is the edge of the ledge. Ledge, samajh gaye na? It is like this, okay, horizontal piece of stone hota है ना, जो किसी क्लिफ या किसी वॉल से निकला हुआ होता है. कई बार देखते हो ना, ये पत्थर टाइप निकला हुआ है. देयर इट वाज. तो वहां तक it just tried to run, and it wanted to flap his wings and it wanted to fly. तो उसने कोशिश तो करी है ना, यंग सीगल ने कोशिश तो करी और अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप भी करा, but he became scared. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. Why he was afraid? क्योंकि नीचे वो क्या देखता है? The great expanse of sea, यानी चारों तरफ समुद्री समुद्र वो देखता है, sea देखता है वो. And it was such a long way down, miles down, and this baby seagull, beta, it was at a height, right? And
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
my
Ma'am, your
voice
voice
is
is
not coming.
Ma'am,
Why?
your voice is not coming.
The speakers are on.
Yes, ma'am. Coming voice.
The voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ना तो वो
ma'am.
कोई नेटवर्क दिक्कत होगी बेटा. अच्छा, वापस से मैं समझाती हूँ. Okay, see this baby seagull, it was sitting all alone on his ledge, right? And a day before, his brothers and sisters, they had already flown away, but he was all alone on the ledge and he was scared of flying, right? Now, though he tried, you know, to fly, what did he do? He just put his efforts, you know, he ran a little, thoda sa wo bhaga. He tried to flap his wings, but again he became afraid on seeing the vast stretch of sea beneath him. Okay, vast stretch of sea. Sea, you got it? Samudra kahan tak phaila hota hai when you look at it, and that too from a height. Okay, anybody can be scared, anybody can be afraid. राइट. जब आप ऊपर से देखो समुद्र को तो कोई भी डर सकता है ना बेटा, किसी के अंदर भी ये फियर पैदा हो सकता है. तो इसी तरह से इस लिटिल बेबी सीगल के अंदर भी दिस, ओके, दिस स्कैरनेस वाज देयर, राइट. इतना आ गया समझ में?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके. So the great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. और फिर वो देखता है, he was at a height, और तो उसको लगता है कि many miles down he had to fly. एक तो sea की stretching, that was making him scared. Okay, वो उसको स्केयर कर रही थी, वो डरा रही थी भयानक तरीके से उसको. और फिर इतनी ऊंचाई पर, okay, he had to fly from such a height and he had to come down. तो ये देखकर वो और ज्यादा डर जाता है. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. 1 second, बेटा. अब मेन चीज why he was scared of flying, उसको ये लगता था कि उसकी wings they are not so strong that it would support him to fly. समझ में आया? इसलिए उसको डर था. So he felt, yes, he felt that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. See how sweet, you know. What did he do? He ran to the edge of the this thing, ledge था ना, वो पत्थर जो चट्टान टाइप बनी हुई थी, है ना, वहां तक वो भाग कर आता है, कोशिश करता है, he flaps his wing, okay, लेकिन उसको लगता है कि उसकी wings, you know, they are not going to support him, right? तो क्या करता है, वापस से अपना जो face है वो नीचे करके वापस से he returns back and he runs, you know, towards the little hole जहां उसने पूरी रात spend करी. तुम्हें मालूम है birds तो किसी भी hole, किसी भी crooks, corners, है ना, कोई भी खाली spaces होते हैं, ठीक है, वहीं पर घुस जाते हैं, they take rest and they make their nest and their living place, right? तो इसी तरह से ये भी इतना डर जाता है कि वापस उस होल में घुस जाता है where he had spent his night. Clear? Even when each of his brothers and his little sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take the plunge which appeared to him so desperate. See now, his brothers and sisters, you know, uske brothers and sisters, they had already flown away. Okay, and उनकी wings जो थी, they were quite shorter than his wings. समझ में आया? उनकी wings इसकी wings से ज्यादा short थी, लेकिन तब भी उन्होंने इतनी हिम्मत दिखाई, okay, that they flew away. उन्होंने अपनी wings को flap करा and they flew away, but he failed to gather his courage. लेकिन इसने कोई हिम्मत नहीं दिखाई. He failed to gather his courage, right? And he did not fly. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him. Upbraiding a meaning has been given there, scolding him, threatening to let him stare on his ledge unless he flew away. Okay, now what happens? Other brothers and sisters, they had flown away. लेकिन उसके माता पिता है ना, उसके जो parents होते हैं, they came to him. ठीक है, जोर जोर से चीख रहे हैं उसके ऊपर, उसको स्कोल्ड कर रहे हैं, right? And they are just threatening him that if he will not fly, then he is going to die of hunger on his ledge. समझ में आया? उसको ये समझाने की कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं कि यदि तुम उड़ोगे नहीं तो you will not get food here, right? And you will die of hunger. But for the life of him, he could not move. लेकिन उसको इतना ज्यादा डर था बेटा कि उसको लगा that if he would flap his wings would not support him and he would fall down and die. Okay, so to save his life, he did not muster this courage, you know, he did not take any step further, okay, to put any kinds of efforts in flapping his wings and just trying to fly away. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the
Everyone?
meaning of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now that was 24 hours ago. अभी ये incident कब हुआ था? 24 hours ago ये incident हुआ था. Okay? यानी 24 घंटे पहले की बात है. Since 24 hours has passed now. Okay? Those hours have passed and this little bird, you know, it was still on his ledge and all hungry, without food, not even trying to fly at all. Since then nobody had come near him. अब brothers, sisters सबने बड़ा encourage करने की कोशिश करी. Even parents, they had come, okay, and they wanted to take this little seagull, baby seagull with them. They scolded him. They also threatened him that if he would not fly, he would die of hunger. लेकिन तब भी उसने कोशिश नहीं करी. अब उस बात को 24 hours had already passed and now nobody came to him. No brothers, sisters, parents, no one came. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters. And a day before, when he was sitting on his ledge, he was watching his brothers, sisters, parents, everybody was flying. You might have seen a baby bird, when it learns to fly. What happens? Did you ever see a baby bird, sparrow, when it learns to fly? What happens, beta? देखा है कभी आपने?
Yes,
Baby
ma'am.
sparrow, baby bird. What happens? The parents, they surround the baby bird, right? And they keep on
Yes, ma'am.
motivating, they keep on chirping, twittering, they keep on protecting it, isn't it? Keep on encouraging the baby birds. देखते हो ना कि किस तरह से जब बेबी बर्ड्स फ्लाई करती है तो उनके पेरेंट्स उनके चारों तरफ ट्विटरिंग करते रहते हैं, चिटरिंग करते रहते हैं, मे बी उनको किसी चीज के लिए एनकरेज करते रहते हैं, मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं, प्रोटेक्ट करते रहते हैं, राइट? तो जब इसी तरह से दिस लिटिल सीगल इट डिड नॉट कम डाउन, तो अदर बेबी सीगल्स वर देयर, उसके ब्रदर सिस्टर्स थे, तो वो सब पेरेंट्स के साथ दे हैड लर्न टू फ्लाई एंड नाउ they were near their parents, right? What happened? My sound is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So now the day before, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight. Now parents, they were perfecting them, means making them expert in the art of flying. Parents, okay, they were making them learn how to fly in the best manner. And teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. Okay. और किस तरह से waves पर skim करना है. You have seen birds when they sit on the water, what happens? Water does not have any hard surface. Okay. So when they land on the water, what do they do? They just skim, they just float. Okay. Move lightly on the water. देखा है ना पक्षियों को? जब पानी के ऊपर
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
बैठते हैं तो वो डूबते नहीं है बेटा, वो स्किम करते हैं. ओके, बहुत लाइटली दे मूव ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर. तो यही वो सिखा रहे थे पेरेंट्स उसको. और किस तरह से whenever these birds, they see any fish into the water, what happens? They just put the beak, they dive into the water and they catch their fish or their prey or their food, right? तो वही सब चीजें parents were teaching these baby seagulls. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
He
ma'am.
had in fact seen his older brother. Older brother means elder brother. Okay. Catch his first herring. Herring, you got it? It's what the meaning has been given na, soft fin sea fish. उसने देखा कि अपनी फर्स्ट फिश उसने पकड़ लिया और डेवोर इट एंड ही हैड ईटन इट, कि किस तरह से उसके ब्रदर ने, उसका जो एल्डर ब्रदर था, he had caught the fish and he had eaten it, standing on a rock while his parents circle around raising a proud cackle, right? And this brother, it was there on a rock, right? और पेरेंट्स ने उसको सिखा दिया था how to dive into the water to catch the fish. तो उसने already fish catch कर ली थी. He had eaten it. Parents ने उसको surround करा हुआ, and when they had seen the children, becoming expert in flying and becoming expert in catching the prey, they felt very proud, है ना, उन्हें बड़ा proud feel हुआ, and they started twittering, they started chirping, they started cackling. Cackling is the sound of the bird, right? And all the
Yes, ma'am.
morning, the whole family had walked down on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. और ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे whole day, पूरी morning, the whole family, it was there on the plateau. जो पत्थर थे, चट्टान थे, plateaus थे, वहां पे the whole family was there, flying, catching the prey, eating the food. और ऐसा लग रहा था as if they were teasing the little baby seagull who was there on the top ledge and who failed to fly. समझ में आया?
Yes,
Understood,
ma'am.
बेटा?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
अब
meaning
वो
of
little
word
baby
is-
seagull कहाँ पे था? वो ऊपर था ना on the ledge and it failed to come down.
On the
Okay?
ledge.
और ये सब क्या
Yes.
कर रहे थे? पेरेंट्स ने बहुत कोशिश करी that it might come down, but it did not show any courage and it did not come down, right? तो पेरेंट्स भी हिम्मत हार गए और वापस आ गए, उसको डांटा, उसको थ्रेटन करा, बट उस पर कोई असर नहीं होता है. सो दे ऑल केम डाउन. ओके, एंड हियर दे वर टीचिंग अदर बेबी सीगल, जो उसका और ब्रदर सिस्टर्स थे उनको सिखा दिया है. और वो ब्रदर सिस्टर्स, you know, they became experts now. Maybe they became very good in flying, in catching the food. See, on skimming on the water, then diving into the water and catching their fish, right? और जब वो पेरेंट्स ने देखा कि उन्होंने फिश कैच कर ली है, they had taken their food, they had eaten their food, बहुत प्राउड फील करा पेरेंट्स ने, and they started cackling. cackling होती है साउंड ऑफ द सीगल, राइट? अब
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
सब प्लेटो पे खूब घूम रहे थे. they were flying, they were catching the food and enjoying. okay, तो ऐसा लगा as if ये सब टीज कर रहे हैं उस बेबी सीगल को who failed to fly. got it beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay beta, bye.
ma'am.
Take care and
Excuse
revise
me,
it.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.